The Russians have announced de-escalation zones, 4 de-escalation zones in Syria, and made various assertions that the U.S. and the coalition should not fly over these zones. Are you continuing to fly over these areas? Will you honor this Russian admonition, or will you ignore it and just go wherever you think you need to be in Syrian airspace?
Yeah, Michael, we continue to use our deconfliction channel to communicate with Russia what our intent is. I can tell you that the areas that are slated to be a part of these zones are not really affiliated very closely with areas where we are historically striking ISIS. So to some degree, it's not really a coalition issue to some extent. So you know, we'll continue deconflicting and taking the actions that we need to in order to strike ISIS anywhere on the battlefield where their fighters and their resources can be found. But this has not been something that has been a significant issue thus far.
Okay, next to L.Mylroie from Kurdistan 24.
If I could follow up on Michael's last question, I have another one then. Do you accept in principle that the Russians can just tell you you can't fly here and you can't fly there? Is that acceptable in principle?
Yeah, what you're talking about is more of an overall diplomatic discussion, and we are really focused on the operational fight. What we have done is we continue to deconflict our operations with the Russians, and we've not found that with clear communication going both ways that we've had really serious problems. It's a really important thing that we maintain doing that because this is what's enabled safe operations with each entity that is fighting ISIS to continue conducting their operations, but in a manner that prevents miscalculation and any type of security mishap.
And thank you.